So in this quick video, I want to show how you can create a pack texture like this, where you could actually have something in R channel, something in G channel, something in B channel, and also in A channel. In this one, there is no A channel, but I'll show how to do for all four of them. And the easiest way I found is to use this easy channel packing. You could type 0 in here and do I want this. That way you could get for free, but you could also pay something to kind of support this creator. And the reason why I use this is because knowing like all the softwares on how to create RGBA channel is kind of annoying, and especially for A channel, which is A channel, I don't know why it doesn't work for lots of the software, or there's like workaround that you have to do, which is why I like to use this software. But if I showed you in Photoshop or photopea.com, I can show you how to make RGB, no A, with very easily. But whenever I want to use A, I use this easy channel packing, which I downloaded from this website. But if you want to just do RGB, all you need is 3 textures. So you could see I have this 3 texture that I added in different layers. Now if you want to do just RGB, use this method, or if you don't have Photoshop, you could use obviously this channel packing too. But all you simply need to do is go to blending and then select R, and then you would see that this one only shows the R channel. Let's do this as green. This shows green channel like this, and this one would be on P like this. Now I don't know how to do A channel for this. There is something to do with like going into channels and creating it. I think it's like way too weird. So what I like to do is, if you want to do, let's say RGBA, if it's just RGB, I use this method. If it's RGBA, what I like to do is take this channel packing, take my textures. So this is first texture, second, third, fourth, and there's one thing that you need to do. This output A needs to be in other one. So even though it says A, we actually need to choose any of the other ones, okay? Because I don't know what the logic behind it is, but you have to select one like this. So even though both of them say R, you don't have to worry about it. And not just that, it also has unpack. So for now, let's just create this pack and let's save it. And again, make sure you type something like .png or something, and we get this pack texture. Now if I go to unpack and drag it, it will basically show me all 4 textures that I used. And if I go in here, go and drag it into my folder, it looks like this, but you could see R channel, G channel, B channel, and A channel. So this is the fastest way that I found to make like a like a pack texture. And if you go to my website, you could find some textures in here, and maybe you download each grayscale like this and then convert it into like a pack texture. But in this one, I haven't really created any pack texture. It's just you download 3 or 4 of them and create yourself. There are also some channel packers online, but I found this one to be the fastest, so I do this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.